Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're like me, you've probably faced the frustrations of dealing with dry, brittle hair that just doesn't seem to bounce back no matter how much care you put into it. Well, today, I've got something that might just change the game. We're talking about Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate Shampoo, a product that claims to strengthen and repair damaged hair, making it smoother and more manageable. So what exactly is this shampoo, and does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive right in. This shampoo is specifically designed for damaged hair, especially those suffering from dryness, brittleness, or overprocessing. It's packed with citric acid, which helps to balance the pH of your hair and strengthen the bonds within each strand. The formula is sulfate-free, which is a big plus if you're looking for something that won't strip your hair of its natural oils while still cleansing it. When I first tried this shampoo, I was curious about how it would feel on my hair, given its claim to repair damage. The texture is rich and creamy, and it lathers up quite nicely, so a little goes a long way. It has a fresh scent, which isn't overpowering, just enough to feel refreshing without lingering too long. I love how it left my hair feeling clean but not dry, which is a common issue I have with some other shampoos. After using it consistently for a few weeks, I noticed a real difference. My hair felt stronger, less brittle, and much more hydrated. It didn't weigh my hair down and it didn't make it feel greasy, which I really appreciated. However, the true test came when I used it on days where my hair had been exposed to heat styling or color treatments. That's when the real magic happened. The shampoo restored some of that lost vitality, making my hair look more vibrant and healthy. Let's get into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The shampoo is sulfate-free, which is great for those of us with dry or color-treated hair. It also really delivers on the promise of repairing and strengthening the hair. I noticed my hair felt noticeably smoother, less prone to breakage, and more manageable overall. Plus, the scent is light and refreshing, which is always a win for me. On the flip side, the biggest con I encountered was the price. While it's certainly a high-quality product, it comes at a premium, which may not suit every budget. Additionally, while it claims to repair, I would say it works best as a maintenance product rather than a miracle fix for extremely damaged hair. When comparing it to other shampoos in the market, Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate stands out due to its unique formulation and the presence of citric acid, which is often used to strengthen hair at the molecular level. There are alternatives that offer similar benefits, but Redken does have a solid reputation for creating salon-quality products, which justifies the price for some users. The build quality of the packaging is top-notch. The bottle is sturdy, and the design is sleek, making it easy to store in your shower. The formula's longevity is also something to note. It doesn't degrade quickly, and I've had the product last longer than I expected despite frequent use. I've had positive experiences with Redken's customer service in the past, and while I didn't need to reach out for this product, I trust that they'd handle any inquiries with professionalism and care. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something a little more affordable, brands like Pureology and Olaplex offer similar strengthening shampoos, but again, they might not have the same acidic bonding benefits that Redken brings to the table. So, what's the final verdict? If you're someone dealing with dry, brittle, or damaged hair, I think Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate Shampoo is a worthwhile investment. It delivers on its promises, leaving your hair feeling stronger, shinier, and healthier with continued use. However, if you're on a tight budget, it might be worth exploring other options that can offer a similar outcome at a lower price point. Mid-review call to action. If this review has been helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our honest beauty reviews here on Beautyistic. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this shampoo, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Stay beautiful inside and out. Until next time.